When installing electrical equipment near a curb, a common practice is to elevate the equipment above the curb. This elevation is typically 2 inches above the curb. The reason for this elevation is primarily to protect the electrical equipment from potential damage caused by water accumulation, debris, or minor impacts from vehicles or pedestrians. If the electrical equipment were installed at the same level as the curb, or even below it, it would be more susceptible to submersion during rain or flooding, which could lead to corrosion, electrical faults, or safety hazards. Debris such as leaves, dirt, and trash could also accumulate around the equipment, potentially blocking ventilation or interfering with its operation. Furthermore, a slightly elevated position reduces the likelihood of accidental impacts from car bumpers or foot traffic. By elevating the equipment 2 inches above the curb, you are providing a buffer zone that helps to mitigate these risks and ensure the long-term reliability and safety of the electrical installation. This practice is not always explicitly dictated in the National Electrical Code, but it is considered standard practice in many jurisdictions and is often enforced by local inspectors based on their interpretation of general safety requirements. Always consult with local electrical codes and regulations to verify specific requirements in area. If it is below the curb, that might result in standing water. And if the equipment is installed too high, it might become an obstruction or a safety hazard in itself. The 2 inches above the curb represents a reasonable compromise that balances protection, accessibility, and aesthetics. Always prioritize safety and compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.